welcome. I've seen a few videos on this new Larimar technique, and I want to try it. I don't want to try it in a coaster. I actually want to try it in this lamp base mold that I have. So I am going to use the Cast and Craft, and I'm going to use the Enzian Resin ink by Octopus ink, and I will be using teal in the resin ink as well. And these are the resin inks, they are not the alcohol inks. So I'm just going to divide my resin into 3 cups. Alright, so I'm going to first add my white. I put in 7 drops. I'm not sure what the formula is for it, so we'll see how 7 drops looks. It looks good. I like the color. Alright, and then I'm going to do the Enzian as my dark. So I'm going to start with 3 drops. Let's see where that lands. And it's still very light. I'm going to add 4 more. And I am using Cast and Craft resin. And there is a discount code in the description if you would like to use it. Alright, that looks pretty good. And I am going to use teal for my light color. I'm just going to go in with 3 drops. Okay. Now, because of the mold that I'm using, there's no way possible for me to do this the way that it should be done. So I am going to circle with the white. Then I'm going to come in with my dark blue. And now I need to actually put my mold together. So I'm going to pour the teal from the holes. Alright, now we just wait and see what happens. Okay, we're back the next day, and now it's time to demold and see how this looks. Ready? That actually turned out really cool. I know it's not the Larimar effect, but it's still a really cool effect. So I'll grab the wire and bulb that goes with this so we can put it together. I'll thread this through the bottom after I cut this off. That through. I want to make sure I place it like that. Yep. Okay. And I'll pull that back through after I get it attached. So blue. Oh, I want to put my push that down and grab my heat gun. Okay. And the same for the brown. Actually, I'll put my rubber on this side. There's more room. Okay. Alright, I'll grab my heat gun again. So I'm going to push it back through. Now that I have it together. And then I'm going to curl this in the bottom. Push my wire through. Like that. And then it comes with this cork pad. Take that off and place that on the bottom. And then you flip it over and put in your bulb. And then you will grab your globe. You'll stick that straight through. And twist it on. And we plug it in and see if it works. Ah, it does. And it has a on-off switch. Turned out beautiful. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.